Here are some tips I wish I knew before building my first gaming PC. Is your power supply actually appropriate for your build? Most only look at wattage, but this is actually a mistake. Whenever I plan a new PC build, the easiest way to pick the right power supply is to type your GPU followed by min PSU wattage, and then pick a PSU with 100 watts more. For example, an RTX 4060 requires at least 550 watts, so I would settle for a PSU with 600 to 650 watts. But you're not done yet. Next, you want to Google PSU tier list, which should take you to this page. Any unit between tier A to tier C are fine, the rest should be avoided at all costs. Now keep in mind you want to keep your build balanced. For example, your PSU shouldn't be more expensive than your CPU or your GPU.